In this video, I perform you the woodpecker, red-billed woodpecker. The scientific name Melanarpes carmonas. This is a type of the woodpecker. Appearance. First, we discuss the build. Long chirp bill, about the size medium-sized bird, measuring about 9 to 10.51 inches in length. Food: a wide variety of the fruit, nuts, seeds, berries, and tree sap as arboreal arthropod invertebrates. Habitat: a variety of forested habitats, open and swampy woodlands, forest swamps, or the wooded suburbans habitats. Call and sound: their call is a cracking chur chur and cackling kick kick, and some cha notes. It uses 6 different calls and communicates. Nesting: both male and females activate the nest cavity and lined with the wood chips. Eggs 3 to 8 smooth and glossy white eggs. Behavior: in the last behavior, the often stuck to main branches and trunks of the trees where they such as the classic wooden pies.